Hello everyone, in this video, we will see how to put a Sephora gift card on the app. If you haven't already, download and install the Sephora app on your smartphone. You can find it on the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the Sephora app and either create a new account or log into your existing one. Make sure you use the same account where you want to add the gift card. Once you are logged in, navigate to the My Account section of the app. This is usually located in the bottom menu bar or in the menu options, accessible from the top left or right corner of the screen. Within the My Account section, look for an option related to gift cards. It might be labeled as gift cards. In the gift card section, there should be an option to add a gift card. Select this option. You will be prompted to enter the gift card information. This typically includes the gift card number and PIN. You can find this information on the back of your Sephora gift card. After entering the gift card information, verify that everything is correct and confirm the addition of the gift card to your account. Once the gift card is successfully added, you should receive a confirmation message or notification within the app. Now that your Sephora gift card is added to your app account, you can use it for purchases either online or in store. During checkout, select the gift card as your payment method, and the app will deduct the amount from your gift card balance. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.